Quick video. This is my 2000 Chevy Camaro with a 3800 motor. This has an SLP lid meant for the Z28s and the SSs for a LS motor. I've seen guys do this before where they'll install the SLP lid on it, but to get this to work properly is a bit of a pain in the butt. But I did some experimenting and I came up with an idea that's pretty good rather than going to the hardware store and buying dryer vents. So what this is two 3.5-inch diameter rubber flex couplers I bought off eBay, and then squeezed in the middle and a kind of an angle is a 3.5-inch, 3-inch long piece of aluminum pipe that I bought off of Amazon. Overall, for like this configuration here, I'm probably about like 40-50 bucks deep. So I just used all the mounting, all the little clamps that they provided. So this is really good for the 2000s, 2001, and 2002 3800s. But the 98 and 99s are going to be a little bit different. The 2000s, oh, sorry about the lighting. 2000s, the throttle body goes straight. As you can tell, there is quite a bend here. So the SLP lid wants to point down, and it is slightly off from the throttle body. So that's why you need the flex couplers, and you need to put this piece of aluminum pipe at an angle, and you can connect it that way. But with the 98s and 99s, the throttle body actually points down. So you would almost have to come up with something to go down and up through there. This is really only meant for the later throttle bodies where they go straight. For the 98 and 99 guys, you might be able to accomplish something similar, but I haven't had my 98 in a long time, so I really can't tell you how well this will work. But it is possible to do this without the dryer vent tubing. It looks a lot nicer. It looks a little bit more intentional, I suppose. It's a little hodgepodge. I plan on going back at some point to have someone actually weld an actual piece of aluminum that would make sense and actually attach to this a little bit more nicely. It's a really tight fit, but it does work. So I'm going to link all the listings for the aluminum pipe and the rubber couplers down below in the description. If you have any questions about this install, feel free to leave a comment. And that's really about it. Take care.